Hi, it's Adam from Nokia again, and we're going to look at how Nokia are going to be pushing mobile innovation yet again with the 2520, our first Windows tablet. Now, the 2520 has the same Lumia styling that you'd expect to see on all of our smartphones, with a polycarbonate surround, super slim, and of course, lots of colour. Now, under the hood, there's some really important things. The first thing I'd like to highlight is at the top here. There's a little drawer there that you can put in a micro SD card so you can expand the memory, but also a micro SIM. This is 4G LTE ready to go out of the box. You'll also notice this screen is absolutely beautiful, and it works not only indoors like I am now, but outdoors in direct sunlight. This is one of the best screens I've seen on a 10.1 inch tablet. Now at the bottom, we've got a connector here, and that's very important because that works with a lovely keyboard we have as well. Chiclet keyboard, and you pop your tablet in there and it stands up, and then you can wrap it, surround it, and put it away and keep it nice and safe and secure. We've also got connectors here for micro HDMI and for your USB 3 as well. And then on the side, we've got the power and the headphone jack. So all ready to go out of the box. Now, one thing I didn't mention just quickly on the case is we've also got 2 USB sockets as well. So you can fully connect it wherever you are and wherever you're going. Well, the first thing you'll notice is Windows 8.1 RT, and you get all the new features that 8.1 has to offer. If you slide up here, you've got your full apps list, so it's nice and quick and easy to get to all the apps that you have on the tablet. Slide back, I get my start menu, and I can adjust all of the size, shapes, and orientation of the tiles. So if I push and hold on a tile, let's pick this nice weather tile here, I can choose where it goes just by moving it around. Very phone-like experience. I can also highlight it, and then I can change and resize the tile and uninstall it, unpin it, all the things you'd expect to see on a Windows device. I can also rename the group. So if I have all of my applications in one selected file, perhaps it's all my Office applications that I have here, I can name that group and make sure they're all in the same place. Now, let's talk a little bit about applications. It's app filled, so there's lots of Microsoft applications you get inbuilt, so you get all of your Office tools as well. So if I open up PowerPoint, it takes me to the desktop experience, and I can flick through and use OneNote, and I can use Excel, I can use Word, I can even use Outlook, and there's both a desktop application for that, or we have this new mail application here for Outlook as well, and I can use this fully succinctly with all of my Windows experience, and it saves to SkyDrive Cloud as well. Now, I can use the multitask feature, so I can have multiple windows open at the same time, and the great new thing about 8.1 is I can actually decide how big I want those panes, so I can fully